Hello everyone, I'm Kuniko. I'd like to show you my favorite art surprise today. This is my nature journal. I prefer to use thick paper because I use watercolors, but in nature journaling case, I draw it every day and this small sketchbook is useful that easy to carry it. I use Canson Artbook Universal 112 sheets 10.1 by 15.2. It's thinner than a normal sketchbook, but I've never torn it. I also have this sketchbook. This is made of Japanese old brand Gekkoso. Normally, I use this sketchbook when I draw the scenery. I use this pen that's waterproof or pigmentary. I use this type of pen with the nature journal. It's called Pilot Super Push. And I'm fond of this pen. The name is Mitsubishi Rev. Both are 100 Japanese yen. Actually, I like that the pen is running out of ink. How can I say kasure in English? I like this line. My sketch companion gave me a lot of pens because he doesn't like old pens. I think that I don't need to buy them for the rest of my life. I use watercolors Winsor & Newton's 24 colors. I bought it when I was early 30s. I usually use the same colors. I often use cadmium yellow, burnt umber, yellow ochre, and sap green. This watercolor set of metal is so heavy. It's not handy to carry. If you use it in the field sketch, you might want to buy a plastic case. like this one. I'm thinking of putting my favorite colors in this empty space. These are my favorite brushes. My friend gave me these Holbein's brushes a long time ago. The characters printed here have disappeared. I'm worried that I won't be able to get the same product in the future if it will wear out. These thin brushes are Van Gogh's brand. Maybe it's 1,000 yen for 3 brushes. I need the jug to wash my brushes. I prefer 3 separate types. And I need a dropper, an old towel, and the papers. It's important to experiment with paint color. This brush is handy to use outside because of the water in it. But I don't know, I just can't get the hang of it. I love this pencil. It might be unusual. I can't this one sharpen with a pencil sharpener because it's so thick. I use a box cutter. When I went on a trip, I forgot that it's in my pencil case. It's obvious airport staff confiscated my box cutter twice. Anyway, watercolor painting is easy to start. If you are interested in the nature journal, let's start to journal with me. See you next time. Bye!